Would you stop losing the ball? Hmm? Speak. What do you want? Herf. Would you? It went under the bed. Go get it. It went under the bed. Go get it. It's under the bed. So it's just... Come on. Come over here with it. I thought you liked to be on cam. Okay. No, you can't get it now. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Who was that? Who? Who was that? You trying to get up by Daddy? Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on, before the batter. There you go.